Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the find anagram problems. Okay, and we already solved this problem in the previous video, guys. Okay, so now we will revise it and we will try to write this program on our own, right? So what this program does is you have two strings here. Okay, ABC and this one. So we have to find anagrams of ABC in this string, right? So we can change the order of the letters, but we can't skip any letter. Okay, the letters should be consecutive. So CBA is the anagram of these, and BAE is not, AEB is not, EBA is not, BAB is not, ABA is not, BAC is a anagram of this. And so these two are the anagrams, and in 0th position we got the first anagram, and in the 6th position 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the 6th position we got the second one. So we need to return the index number of these anagrams, right? Okay, so I hope you understood what the problem does, guys. So if we want, we can visualize the code again. Okay, if we just simulate once more time, and we can write it, right? So here we will do. Okay, so what we will do, you see, um, no. Okay, what we need to do, we need to take the program from here, and then now it's fine. Okay, guys, so S and P is here, return size, and then indices. So as we will have to return an array, so we need to provide here in the pointer as well, right? We are not returning a simple number or like this. Okay, it's not a single number. Do you understand? We'll have to return an array. So I hope you understood, guys. Okay, so anyway, so from now here, find anagrams, we need to go to the find anagrams function, find anagram function, character sp, and return size. Okay, so strlen. So if we just take these two lines and come here, where is it? Find anagrams. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? 3 3 6 9 10 numbers, right? So strlen, this would be, its length would be 10 and this length would be 3. Okay, return size 0. If n less than m, return null, right? Okay, so if count p 26 equals 0, you understand? So we have to provide count p, count p0. So make all of them like this, right? Count p, count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5. This is how it will work, guys. Okay, so 26 up to 26, and count 6 would be 26 as well. So here count s. So count s would be 26. All of them has 0. So now we have the for loop count characters in p, right? So first iteration. So let's take these two lines again, right? So we need to cut them from here, and now we'll have to provide them here. So now I 0, m is, what is m is 3, right? Because length of p is 3. So count p minus pi minus a. So pi is, pi is a minus a 0. So in count p, that means, guys, a minus a 0. So when a 0, so count p0 is value is 0, right? So we need to, all of them has the value 0. So count p is all of them has a value 0. So count p is 0 2. So what we will do in count p0's value would be increased by 1. So this is the thing happening here, guys. Okay, and count si, that means c minus a, guys. Okay, c minus a is 2. So in count s2's position, first of all make them 0. In previous problem we kept these numbers, right? So here we make 1. Do you understand? So here you can say zero's position, in zero's position value has been 1, and here we say 2's position value has been 1, right? So this was the first iteration, and now go for the second iteration. Second iteration, the 1 is okay, less than. So pi1 means, guys, here should be b minus a, that means 1, right? So in 1's position we are putting 1, right? So in p, in 1 position we are putting 1, and s. So in when I is 1 is b. So here 1 as well. So in 1 position we are putting 1, right? So now go for the third iteration. Here 2 as the 3. Okay, so pi b, right? So count pi b minus a. So here you see it be c in second position we are putting 1, and in case of s, so I is 2. So a means this one, okay. So a minus a, that means in 0th position we are putting 1. So in case of p, in 2's position we are putting 1, and 0th position we are putting 1, right? So you see all of them has the same thing, 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? Both of them. So now we will allocate result array, okay, max size n. So that means result will be an array of result. We are making another table here, and this would be of let's say res 0. So let's say all of them, so you see 10, okay. 10 place would be allocated for result, right? So I'm not going to name all of them anyway. And if is equal count p count s, so we need to go to the is equal function, right? So let's say So copy the is equal function in one more place, right? Make another file maybe. So doing once will not make us clear, guys. Okay, we need to do them again and again. So here's the is equal, right? So this is for the count p and this is for the count s. One by one number will be passed, right? So in the first iteration, I is less than 0, 26. If ai, what is a, guys? Count pi, right? So in count pi and count count as I is not equal to the return 0, so they are all equal, so return. Okay, if is equal count p count s. Okay, so yes, all of them are equal, right? We know that all of it. You see 1 1 1 1 1, so they are equal. So here result return size plus plus equals 0. That means in the first position of res we are providing 0, right? So that means in 0th position we got to the first anagram, right? And then return size will be increased. So return size was 0, so this will be 1. Return size will be 1, right? Return size 1 would be here. So now we will have this one slide the window, right? First iteration, we need to take them here again. Okay, so it will start from m, right? That means 3. So I is 3 and be 7, right? Add new character and remove old character. So si, okay. So 0 1 2 3. So e would be here, e minus a. That means, guys, 4. In 4th position we are getting the number 1. So 0 1 2 2 3 4. In 4th position of s we are putting 1, right? So count s I minus m. So we are just now we are considering the bigger string, right? This one. So s 4 1 count as I minus m minus a, right? I minus m means 4 minus uh, I is okay. I starts from m. So 3 minus m. That means 3 minus 3 0. So what is the so in 2's position 0 1. First one is c, right? So c, that means, guys, this gonna be c minus a 2. So this value would be decreased, guys. Okay, so 2 would be 0. So yes, this will not be equal, right? The condition would be false. Second iteration, there will be 4. Add new character, right? So 4 0 1 2 3 4. This will be, guys. So b minus a, that means, guys, 1, right? In 1's position we have to provide plus 1. So that means, let's see, in 1 we need to make it 2. So it will be 2, right? Constant s I minus m. That means what is I, guys? I is 4, right? 0 1 2 3 4. 4 minus m, that means 3. 4 minus 3, that means 1. First one would be considered b, right? So okay, so b means 1, guys, so we need to 1. So in one's position we had 2, we need to decrease it 1 again, so it will be 1, right? If we compare, they are not the same, right? They are not the same. So what we will do here, condition will be false again. So let's go for the third iteration, right? So here will be 5 less than 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So a would be here, a minus a, that means 0, guys, right? In 0th position we need to increase, so here would be 2, and 5 minus 3, that means 2, guys, right? So 0 1 2, a minus a. So what we need to do, we made it 2, right? So in 0th position we need to make it 1 again. It was 2, 1 again. Okay, if you compare, it will be false again. Fourth iteration, going to be 6. So when it's 6, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So b, right? So b minus a would be 1. In the first position would be 2. I minus m, right? I 663, 0 1 2 3 e. So we do this minus minus, I minus m, 7 minus 3 4. So this would be 0. And in the second, I is what? I is 6, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 3 4 1 2 3 4 6, b minus a, that means in 1st position. Okay, so here it should be true. This should be, so result of the I is 6 minus 3. Okay, guys, so I'm feeling overwhelmed, guys, now. So I will try to solve this next time. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Sometimes you can't find the solution properly. Sometimes you get it easily, right? It happens, guys. These are really tough thing.